Hi everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to make these beautiful white flowers out of pipe cleaners and coffee filters. Coffee filters. Scissors. Green pipe cleaners. Let's get started. First, get 3 coffee filters, take them apart. And what you're going to do is you're going to fold each one in half 3 times. So there's one fold. Fold it in half again. There's 2 folds. One more time. 3. All right, do that with each one. Then you're going to take your scissors, and along the top, we're going to cut 1, 2, 3 curved lines like this. 1. These are going to be for the flower petals. 2, 3. I'm going to trim it up a little bit better. I didn't cut very well. 1. There's 2, 3. Something like that. Do this one a little bit more curved. There we go. Okay, do that for each one. 1, 2. If you notice, I'm leaving the scissors open. This is like the sharpest part of the scissors. Instead of just using the tip to try to cut, it doesn't cut very well. But if you keep the scissors open like you're feeding the scissors and just go down like halfway, you don't have to bring the scissors completely closed, it cuts pretty well. Like this. See, I'm not closing the scissors all the way. 2, 3. Okay, that's going to be for the petals. So do that for each one. Okay, move the trash out of the way. You're going to unfold each one of these. And lay it down flat. Unfold the next one. Put that right on top. Unfold the next one. Put that right on top. Then you're going to take your pipe cleaner, get it ready. And we're going to like push the center of our flower and then grab it with the back, kind of pinch it, and then you kind of go like that and then twist it. Twist. Okay. And then you're going to take your pipe cleaner and you're going to take the end of it and we're going to twist in the same direction that we twisted the paper. Make kind of like a spring or a coil around it like that. Try to make it tight. Okay. The pipe cleaner is going to be the stem. Twist it around pretty well. Try not to poke yourself with the metal part inside the wire. You don't want to do that. And then you're going to go back to the petals and just arrange them and open them up. And we used more than one coffee filter to give it a lot more petals to make it look more realistic. So open up that bottom filter first, see? And then go to the next one and kind of spread it out with your fingers. And do the same for all 3. All right, and there you go. And then you have a flower made out of paper and a pipe cleaner. These flowers would make a great gift on Mother's Day, Valentine's Day, maybe even Teacher Appreciation Day. If you make more than one, you can put them together as a bouquet. You could even find a vase and put them in that if you want. Make an arrangement. If you're interested in making colorful flowers, I have a couple other videos that'll show you how to do that. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Remember, stop and smell the flowers. Mmm.